Hi there and hello everyone, we are from Group 7 Section 5 for subject Hydrology BFC32002 and we will present our group project report. So let me begin with my introduction. My name is Johnathen Leong. Metric number is CF21052. So we Group 7 consists of 5 members. First is myself and we have Jeurane Alto, Jefferson Chantong, Illan and Fierderick Exzellvier. So let us start with the objectives. So first is to measure the rainfall, water and quantity of the rate of water penetration into the soil in the proposed site. So second is to determine the element that influence the rainfall and streamfall of the location of study. And third is to determine the hydrograph unit of the selected water level area. For location of study, our group has chosen the location of study located at Cebu, Sarawak, Malaysia. So they require to collect 5 months of data rainfall station for the station, which is at Hulu Sungai Merah, Jabatan Laut and Sungai Tekong, and only one water level station which is also located at Hulu Sungai Merah. And this is the location of our study based on map on Google Earth Pro application. Let us continue with the methodology and data analysis. So guys, for the first method, the arithmetic mean method, this technique calculates area precipitation using the arithmetic mean of all the point and area measured considered in the analysis by using the data of 7 consecutive days and rainfall data of 21 to 27 June of 2022 for the calculation, and by using the formula as stated above, the total precipitation divided by 3 equals 79.17 mm for the answer.
Hi, my name is Jefferson Chantong and Ahmad and my matrix number is CF210178 and I'm going to present the Thiessen polygon method. Okay, this is another graphical way for calculating station weight in the Thiessen polygon network depending on the relative areas of each measurement station. To calculate the area's average precipitation, multiply the individual weights by the station observation and add the result. So this is the formula for Thiessen polygon method. Precipitation equals to sum of polygon area for each station times by precipitation over sum of total polygon area. So this is the total of precipitation which is 77.91 mm. For isohydral method, this is a graphical method that entails estimating lines of equal rainfall across a given area using point data. In order to calculate the areal precipitation value, the quantity and the extent of the generated rainfall region of coverage are then compared to the area in issue. So the formula for isohydral method is P, that is average precipitation depth, equals to sum of AI. AI is sub area between two isohyd lines times by PI. PI is average precipitation between two isohyd lines over sum of area, total area. Isohydral method which is 77.604 mm.
Hello, my name is Fierderick Rudi and my metric number is CF210276 and today I will present the methodology and analysis result for stream flow and water level data. Stream flow and water level data are used to monitor flood and drought event. They are also used to monitor water supply for lake operation and navigation. This information is used to determine flood risks, support land use planning, assess fish habit, and for water quality analysis of contaminant loading. And the picture is calculation of hydrograph. Next is hydrograph stream flow. This is the graph total flow versus time that we get from the data. From the graph, we can use the straight line method to find the unit hydrograph UH. unit hydrograph is determined as a hydrograph for a specific time period of rainfall excess runoff and uniform distribution and whose volume of runoff is equal to 1 inch of water over the entire watershed. And this is the formula to use determine the UH and the calculation of UH. After finish with the calculation, we will do the unit hydrograph plotting, and this is our hydrograph plotting.
Good day, doctor. My name is Sigar, metric number CF210330. So I will explain on rational method. So rational method is a method to identify the peak flow discharge by recognize the relationship between rainfall intensity and the catchment area. As you can see in this formula, to identify the rational method value, we need to first to identify the runoff coefficient, the average rainfall intensity, and the drainage area. To identify the runoff coefficient, we must first need to know the land use of the area that we study. As stated in the runoff coefficient table, different area have a different runoff coefficient. Our team have chosen Hulu Sungai Merah as the location of study, and the total area as we identify from Google Earth is 110 hectare. The land use of Leong and terrace house covered 341.7 hectare, and the land use for forest cover covered 168.3 hectare. So we obtain the data for each cases. The peak flow that we have obtained is 2,399.858 meter cube per second. Our group also have assigned to compare both discharge between maximum water level and peak flow discharge. As you can see, maximum water level have a higher discharge compared to peak flow discharge. The reason may be affected from the location of the stream, where the maximum water level was located the upstream, and the peak flow discharge was calculated based on the average of the stream in Hulu Sungai Merah.
Hi, my name is Johnathen Jarup and my metric number is CF2102 Today I will take a part of our project, which is discussion. This study was implemented to identify the rainfall at Hulu Sungai Merah water level station and water level that rest the major contribution of flood in Sigar River Station. From other database, we got from the Department of Irrigation and Drainage. We took 5 months of data, which is from the month of June to October. In order to calculate the normative mean using the catchment area rainfall values, we take out 7 consecutive data points from those months. In the result, we got 77.91 mm in a TC method, but isolated method we got 77.604, while in arithmetic method we got 79.17 mm. For runoff frequency, we got discharge 7,999.86. For conclusion, from our study analysis, we can conclude that the study showed the result obtained by the present method of those obtained by using 3 methods such as arithmetic, station, and isolated method. The method work when more than 3 stations are present in the locality. In this case, using this method is very the best way to find slope, best flow, and the rate flow, since it can be used to find the graph the post catchment. Then, by using cross-section profile of the river, we need to estimate the discharge of the river at the maximum water level. That's all from all. Thank you.